When you find that the hour hand on the right small dial is not aligned, as you can see, the minute hand is at 12 o'clock position, but the hour hand is not aligned to 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Then you can pull out the crown and twist it clockwise. And stop when the hour hand is at right position. Then twist the crown counterclockwise. And stop when the minute hand is at 12 o'clock. Then you can see both dial or hands are aligned. Also, you can adjust two time zone by same way. Okay, now you can see the right small dial, the left small dial is at 8 o'clock, and the right small dial is at 11 o'clock. 3 hours time difference. Three hours time difference. Okay.